We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing Irish names and Irish vocabulary, so make sure to stay tuned for those. This is the name of Ireland itself, the island and the country, but in Irish. Now, this name in English is generally said as Eire, Eire. Now, in Irish, this is said, and I guess that's how it should be pronounced, as Eire, Eire. Pretty straightforward once you know. Eire is Irish for Ireland, and now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names from Ireland whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.